Good morning. In the previous lecture, we talked about conversion of binary to decimal numbers. Let us go for next method of conversion. Octal to hexadecimal. Octal to hexadecimal conversion. How to convert octal numbers to hexadecimal numbers? Let us suppose that you are given the number, any number in octal number system, and you are asked to convert it into hexadecimal number system. It is simple. So okay, continue. Let us see how to convert octal to hexadecimal. Let us suppose that these are the octal numbers given. We can consider many. This is octal number, octal number, octal number, octal number. We have to convert this to hexadecimal. Let us start with this. Replace 7 by 3-bit binary. What is 3-bit binary? Equivalent of 7, 1, 1, 1. Then replace 6 by 3-bit binary equivalent, that is 1, 1, 0. Replace this 4 by 3-bit binary equivalent, 1, 0, 0. Binary point, octal point is replaced by binary point. 1 to be replaced by 3-bit binary. 2 is to be again replaced by 3-bit binary. Okay, after that, let us start making a group of 4 bits. 1, only 1 is left. Okay, add 3 zeros to the left side. 1, 2, add 2 zeros to the right side. What is this? 1. What is this? 15. That is F. What is this? 4. Hexadecimal point. What is this? 2. This is 8. Very simple. The given octal number is converted to binary by replacing each digit by its 3-bit binary equivalent. After that, starting from the binary point, the bits are regrouped into group of 4 bits. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. And replace each group of 4 bits by equivalent hex digit. 1, F4, hexadecimal point 28. It is in hexadecimal number system. We have done first. Let us go for second. Replace 6 by 3 bit group 1 1 0, 5 by same 1 0 1, this 5 by same 1 0 1, binary point, this 2 by same, this 7. Now regroup them into 4 bit groups. 1 1, only one is left, add 3 zeros to the left, 1, add 2 zeros to the right. Replace each 4 bit group by hex. Replace each 4 bit group by corresponding hex digit. This is 1, this is 10 means A, this is 12 plus 1 13, A, B, C, D. Hexadecimal point, this is 5 and this is 12, B, C. So 655.28 in octal is 180 hex point 5C. This is conversion of second octal number to corresponding hexadecimal. Then let us go to the third example. Replace 6 by 3 bit binary 1 1 0, 7 by 3 bit binary 1 1 1, 3 by 3 bit binary 0 1 1, 2 by again 3 bit binary 0 1 0, binary point, 7 by 3 bit binary 1 by 3 bit binary. Regroup them starting from the binary point into group of 4 bits. 3 plus 1 4, 4 4 4, 2 zeros added 4, and replace each bit of 4 group by equivalent hex digit. This is 1101, that is C, 13. 13 means 10 is A, okay. B, C, D. D is 13. This is also 13. This is 10. 10 is A. D, A point. This is 14. E. This is 4. Okay, so 6732.71 in octal will be DDA.E4 in hexadecimal. And let us go to the last one now. Replace each digit by 3 bit binary equivalent. 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1, binary point 0 1 0 1 0 0. Regroup these bits into a group of 4 bits starting from the binary point. 4 4 4 4, 2 zeros 4, and replace group of each 4 bits binary by equivalent hex digit. This is 8, this is 13, 13 is D, this is 1 hex point, this is 5, next 0, So 4321.24 in octal number system will be 8D1.50 in hexadecimal number system. This way we can convert any octal number to corresponding hexadecimal number. Hope you got it. Now let us do reverse of this, hexadecimal to octal. When we are given the number in hexadecimal number system and asked to convert in octal number system, consider the number given in hexadecimal number system. Replace each digit of given hexadecimal number system by 4-bit binary equivalent. After replacing each digit of the hexadecimal number by a group of 4-bit binary equivalent, regroup these bits starting from the binary point into a group of 3 bits. From binary point to left, from binary point to right. We have to move from binary point to left side for integral part, and we have to move from binary point to right side for the fractional part. If at the end you are short of 1 or 2 bits for completion of group of 3 bits, add those number of zeros to the left in the integral part, to the right in the fractional part. Let me consider few hexadecimal numbers. We can consider many more numbers. I have considered this. You can consider any. Now, as I told the procedure, let us replace each digit of given hexadecimal number by a group of 4-bit binary equivalent. So A will be 10, 10 will be 1010. B will be 11, 11 will be 1011. C will be 12, it will be 1100. D will be 13, it will be 1101 binary point. E will be 14, 1110. F will be 15, 1111. Now start regrouping from the binary point. Now make group of 3 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add 2 zeros. 6th group. 1, 2, 1 0 is short, just add that 0 there. 1 bit is short, just add 1 0. Now replace this by octal digit. 1 2 5 7 1 5, octal point 7 3 6. So this number in hexadecimal is converted to octal. ABCD dot EF in hex is 1257115.736 in octal. Very simple. Now let us go to the second one. 10001. A 1010. 20010. B 1011. C 1011. This is 12. 1100. 30011. Now start regrouping into a group of three bits from the binary point. One group, second group, third group, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. All these are zeros, so no need to add zeros because this is going to give us zeros. You just omit this one. 3, 1 is short, add 0. This 0 has no meaning, so just ignore it. 1, 5, 0, 5, 3, octal point 6, 0, 6. So this hex in octal is this number. And now let us move to the third one. 20010. B is 11. 1011. 30011. C is 12. 1100. Binary point 40100. D is 13. 1101. Start regrouping into a group of 3 bits from the binary point. One group, second, third, fourth, fifth. No need to make group as only 1 0 is left here because it is going to give us 0 to the left, and 0 to the left of integral is meaningless. Because why it is meaningless? It is not going to change the value of the number, so it is meaningless. Writing 1 and writing 01 in decimal is same thing, so no need to write 01, just write 1 whenever you want to write 1 in decimal. Just similar to that, 0 is meaningless. It is true for any number system. Writing 7 in octal, writing 07 in octal is same thing. So why to write 07? Just write 7. Writing A in hex is just similar to writing 0A in X. Values of these two are same. Why to write 0 here? Just write A. Okay, so let me ignore this 0. Then one group, second group, short of 1 bit, add 0. So this is 2, 5, 4, 7, 4, octal point 2, 3, 2, octal. So conversion of this hex number into octal number. And finally let us go to this one, and that is what? 3, 0, 0, 1, 1. C is 12. 1, 1, 0, 0, 4, 0, 1, 0, 0. D is 13. 1, 1, 0, 1. 5, 0, 1, 0, 1. E 14. 1, 1, 1, 0, binary point 6, 0, 1, 1, 0, F 1, 1, 1, 1. Each hexadecimal digit is replaced by a group of 4 bits. Now let us start regrouping these bits into group of 3 bits starting from the binary point. One group, second group, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. 1, 2, add 1, 0, 3. This is 1, 7, 0, 4, 6, 5, 3, 6, octal point 3, 3, 6. So this hexadecimal number is converted to octal number. This way you can perform conversion of any hexadecimal number to octal number. Earlier to this we have converted octal number to hexadecimal numbers, and this is the way of converting hexadecimal number to octal numbers. A few more methods are left there. Decimal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to decimal, and after that few may be there. We shall discuss this in the next lecture. Thank you.